Introducing the FxMath Portfolio XAUUSD on the 5-minute time frame. 5 proven strategies, combined into one free expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. Presented by FxMath Financial Solution. The FxMath Portfolio XAUUSD unifies 5 separate gold trading strategies into a single expert advisor. You run one EA, and it trades all 5 strategies for you at once. Each strategy can be turned on or off independently, so you control exactly which strategies are active on your chart. In our backtest, the combined portfolio produced over $3,500 of profit from 1,430 trades, with a 60.1% win rate. The profit factor is 1.54, and the reward-to-risk ratio is 1.02. Maximum drawdown stayed around $340. Time of day matters. The best average profit appears at 6 a.m., while early morning hours around 2 a.m. were the weakest. This EA ships with an optional per strategy time filter, so you can set each strategy to trade only during its strongest hours, such as 5 to 6 and 8 to 10. Key features include a hard-coded 5-minute time frame, separate magic numbers and comments for each strategy, set and forget risk management, and full state of the chart display of open positions and profit in real time. The 5 component strategies use ATR-based stop-loss and take-profit levels. Each has its own lot size, stop-loss, and take-profit multipliers, and its own entry rules. Running all 5 together diversifies your trades and smooths the equity curve. Settings are grouped by strategy. For each of the 5 strategies, you can set the lot size, magic number, trade comment, ATR period, stop-loss, and take-profit multipliers, a time filter, and an optional break-even plus trailing stop. Break-even and trailing are driven by a percentage of the take-profit distance, so they scale automatically with volatility. To install, copy the 6.5 file into the Experts folder inside your MetaTrader 5 data directory. Open MetaTrader 5, refresh the navigator, and drag the expert onto a gold chart. Enable algorithmic trading, and set the time frame to 5 minutes. To use it, toggle the Enable flag on each strategy you want active. Leave disabled ones off. Nothing else is required. The EA handles entries, stop-loss, take-profit, break-even, and trailing automatically. Watch the chart panel to see open positions and live profit. Download the FxMath Portfolio XAUUSD for free at www.fxmath.com. FxMath Financial Solution. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Trade responsibly.